Hi and welcome to the Playsilks series. If you haven't checked out the previous videos in this series, please do. I'm showing you how to use Playsilks for a variety of different ages. And today we are focusing on our 6 to 9 month old babies. Now our 6 to 9 month old babies are in the perfect age bracket to start introducing the concept of object permanence. Now what does object permanence mean? It means that something exists even though we can't see it, and that's a concept that your child is going to start to explore over the next couple of months. Now some of the things might be a little frustrating, throwing food off the high chair and seeing it's still there on the ground. That's one of the things that might be a bit frustrating about this phase. But something that's amazing about this phase is you are able to leave the room for a couple of minutes and say you keep on singing. They hear your voice and they know you still exist even though they can't see you. So there's a range of amazing things that you can do with your child to strengthen this concept of object permanence. And one of the things we're going to do for this is we are going to play peekaboo. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to lay our child on our lap and we are going to take the Playsilk and cover our face with it. At this stage, we cover our face, and then later on when they're a bit older, we do an alternate version of this game where we cover their face and they pull the silk off their face, or that we cover it, we leave it, and they pull it off our faces without our hands having to do the work. But for now, we are going to put the silk over our face and say, "Where's mommy? Where's mommy, my dear? Here I am. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!" Now, I know this is classic baby talk, classic baby play, but it is a classic for a reason, and our children enjoy this so much. So then you can cover their face, peekaboo, peekaboo, and this is one of the most amazing toys that you can invest in for the enveloping schema. And the enveloping schema is just this: covering oneself with something, enveloping yourself. So your child would love this texture. It's super silky and soft and all natural, breathable, a little bit see-through, so it's not as scary to pull it over your face. And I can honestly tell you, our son started pulling stuff over his head at around 5 months, and he's about 2 years old now, and it hasn't stopped. It's a daily thing. He loves pulling Playsilks over his head, walking around with them, and then he gives me little kisses through the Playsilk. It's actually so cute. So this is the start to that. We introduce a plain, simple peekaboo game because it's so beneficial to your child. So if you're enjoying this series, please show me some love by liking this video, and then keep a lookout. We're going to have some new videos in the series very soon, and then I'll show you what your 9 to 12 month old child can do with Playsilks.